Hello guys, so as you can see there are a lot of dust on my laptop screen. So what I will do, I will use microfiber cloth which I have ordered it from Amazon. So there are two type of cloth which I order. So first one is very smooth, if you can see the surface of this one is very smooth. So this one is for cleaning the screen of the laptop. Another one is for cleaning the other parts of the laptop, like we can clean the keyboard, touchpad and the back side of the laptop. So let's start, let me show you how we can proceed. So there are three components which I have. There are two type of cloth and one cleaner which I ordered from Amazon. So what I will suggest you people, don't use any normal cloth for your laptop cleaning. Always take microfiber cloth like this. You will easily find in your offline market as well, you will also find. And if you don't find, you can always order from Amazon or Flipkart, anywhere. So let me show you the process how we can clean. And you can clean any device like phone screen, laptop, Android TV, anything you can do. So one more suggestion I will give about this one, like don't just sprinkle the liquid on the laptop screen or the keyboard directly. Always use your cloth. So what I will do, I will first sprinkle this liquid on the cloth. So first of all, I will start with the keyboard parts. Okay, and always try to push this keyboard very lightly. Don't push hard, otherwise keys get can damage as well. You can take liquid as much as you want, okay, but don't sprinkle on this one. That is not at all recommendable. As you can see now, it's very clean. Now let's clean this part of the laptop. So we have to do it via our fingers. This part is now clean. Everything looks clean to me. Let's do the back part. I think this one is dirty, but in the camera I think it's not visible, but yeah, I can see there are a lot of dust part are there. So let me clean it with this device. Don't put hard, like you have to only push very lightly so that the display don't get damaged. So this part is clear now. Let's do the back part. So now there is no dust I can see in the back side as well. Now the last part it will be the screen part. Let me show you that as well. So this part is clean now, everything like top and the bottom section. Let's clean the screen part. Okay. So for cleaning the screen part, what we can do, we have to use this soft cloth so that our screen gets no damage on this. So what I will do, I will sprinkle this liquid onto the cloth, soft cloth. I will not use this cloth. Okay, this is little bit rough. It is also microfiber cloth, but I will use the soft one for the screen. So let's sprinkle the liquid onto the cloth, not onto this part, screen part. That is not at all recommendable. So we will use the liquid. As you can see, liquid is here. Now we will clean the display of this one, not by this process. Like many people used to do like this, but this is not good. Okay, so we have to clean it in the parallel direction. Either you can do it via top to bottom or bottom to top, anything, whatever you like you can do. So let me clean in this direction. Okay, let's take another part of the cloth so that dust, where dust is not there. Let's clean the remaining part in the same way. It looks like I'm using the new laptop right now. It's very clean now with the help of this soft cloth and the liquid. Let me show you the screen how it is looking very closely so that you can see. See, now it's very clean. Okay, so what I will do, I will put the link of this cleaning kit in the description box. So you can take the kit and clean your device. Like you can clean laptop, TV, phone, everything. You can use this microfiber cloth for your cleaning purpose. And what I will recommend, once in a month, always do clean all these devices. I hope this video will be helpful for you people. If you find it helpful, please subscribe the channel Techies Guru for such more contents. Thanks a lot. Bye.